Hello, my name is Mike Inteza, and I'm going to do an analysis on claims about happiness. The first claim was done by a professor at University of California, Riverside, who is Sonja, and the second video was done by a motivational author called Brandon. Let's start from the first video of Brandon. Brandon says that happiness relies on common sense. Does really common sense matter in making someone happy? He says that looking at the past with gratitude, even there are some downfalls. Is that really true? Me, I don't agree with that because of the following. There are some histories of certain countries which are really devastating. For instance, let's take an example of genocide in Rwanda. Genocide in Rwanda was a tragedy that happened to Rwanda. Every year, it's commemorated. But during that period of time, do people accept that history and feel happy about it? No, that's not true. And that's why I don't accept this claim as scientifically approved. Let's take a look at the second video of Professor Sonja. She says that happiness, if you want a lifetime happiness, do good. And this is scientifically proved because when you do good, it helps you feel like you are connected to others, and also you make new friends and appreciate at you what you have done. And when we look at what Sonja said, it's really scientifically approved because of this. When someone is connected to others, this will be like in a form of tend, or it's like a way of getting attached to other people. When you're attached to other people, it makes you feel like you are contented with your life, you are moving on. And when people appreciate what you do, that brings you total happiness compared to using common sense in order to be happy. Also, when you look at common sense can't curb stress. Stress can be curbed by doing good to other people. When you're doing good to other people, stress tends to deteriorate, hence being happy. But when you use common sense won't solve the problem of being stressed. And also, Professor Sonja said that they made a research to students by telling them to do 5 acts per week for 6 weeks, and the outcome showed that due to these good acts the students were doing, they were able to attain happiness because they felt like it's an act they should be doing most of the time. They enjoyed it, in other words. And also there's somewhere where Brandon said that if you want happiness, sleep 8 hours a day, drink water, take breaks, work out, eat more greens. But there are so many people who do these kind of things in order to be happy, but in the end they are not happy. You find that they are living in miserable life. But when you do good, it will help you to be happy. Let's take an example of the monks. Monks are the people who do good most of their rest of their life. When they do good, they feel happy, and when you try to even talk to them, you find that they are always happy, even if they are not having earthly materials or earthly material possessions. That's not what they take most as important. And also, confirming on Professor Sonja, she said that when you do good, you see yourself as generous. When you see yourself as generous, it means you have a positive attitude about yourself. And that's what matters most of all. When you have a good reputation about yourself, it helps you to feel like you are contented with the life you are living in. And mostly, when people talk good things about you, it helps you to feel like you are motivated in doing more, hence being happy. So I conclude by saying that a video called Happiness for a Lifetime by Sondra is a real video that is scientifically approved. Thank you.